Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Save files and close any apps using network or disk. Once done, click the Apple menu at the top left or press and briefly tap the Touch ID/Power button to reveal power options. Make sure to stop Time Machine or large transfers so the disk is idle. If a warning appears about unsaved changes, address it now. You want a clean shutdown to avoid corruption and to speed the process. You'll see a shutdown dialog with options and a checkbox to reopen Windows. Read it. Uncheck Reopen Windows if you prefer a clean start next time, or leave it checked to restore your session. Once you choose Shutdown, macOS will quit apps in order, allowing them to save state and close files. If an app resists, macOS will prompt, handle that dialog by saving or forcing quit. Make your selection and confirm to proceed. You confirm and wait. macOS will finish background tasks and power off the display. Listen for fans stopping and watch for a black screen. Once off, disconnect external drives to avoid corruption before transporting or storing the Mac. If the Mac won't respond to shutdown or freezes, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown, then wait a few seconds and power on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.